Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Land Rover Defender 110, and this is by Majorette, and this is from the Deluxe car series. So if you remember, we already unboxed three out of four Deluxe car series, which you can see it here. This one is the Bugatti, and here is the Nissan, and here is the Lamborghini Sian. Okay, you can be able to see that. Yeah, here is the Lamborghini Sian. So I do have one more color on this Lamborghini Sian and Bugatti, which I will unbox soon. Okay, so let's get this open and see how this one looks. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, here is the collector box. Let's have a look at this. So if anyone is wondering what's inside, there is nothing. So okay, let's keep this aside and let's open the car. Okay, here it is. So Deluxe edition doesn't have a metal bottom. That only you can see in the metal series, but it still looks really awesome. So this one has openable doors here. Let me try. Yeah, there is some kind of plastic here in this part. Okay, let me just try to I don't know if this is how it is in the entire set of cars or it's just broken. Okay, anyways, here it is. The engine detailing looks really neat, and this one actually has some kind of fiber for the headlights, and the taillights are painted as usual. I just wish they had a different color, like red. Red would do really good for this kind of vehicles. And the tires are actually made of rubber, and this one has good suspension as well. Okay, this one is not closing fully, just stops here. And the rims looks pretty nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.